Hello friends, आपको नमस्ते. So today in this video we will create a shape matching game, or you can say template shape matching game. For that, let me run this file. I will show preview it. So this is it. Just we have to drag this shape here. Okay, okay, here, here. In a limited time, we have to complete this. Okay, so we have completed five shapes. So our final score will be 5. Okay, so this way we will create this game. And for that, these are the steps which we follow. Okay, so the first step is that we have to read the background image and resize it to 600 to 900. Okay, so let me comment the extra code. So our first step is just to read the background and resize it and then show it. So this is the background which we are using. Okay, so we will read that image, bg.fragment, and resize it to 900 width and 600 height, and then we will show that image, or you can see the frame background. Okay, now if this is, you can say, the wait key, we are using the while loop because we want to make the that background static for the infinite time until the game is over. Okay, that's for that time we have to make it static, so that's why I'm using the while loop. And as soon as I press Q, it will break the window, or you can say the game is over, and destroy all window here, because I want to clear the space. So this way, it's the first step is completed. Let me run this so that we can see that first step is completed or not. It's completed. As soon as I press Q, it will break the loop and the window will get vanished. Now the second step is that, what is the second step? Let me come up. The second step is that define all shape that will be used in the game. So these are the shape which we use in the game, or you can say this is a function which we are, this is the shape list which we are using. Okay, we are using circle, square, triangle, trapezium, rhombus, and parallelogram. Okay, then what is the third step? Decide fixed position for shape at top source area, top and bottom source area. Okay, we have to decide the you can see the positions. We have to decide the position. For that, we have to make two dictionaries. In this, we are basically pointing the, or we can say saving the center of those shapes. Okay, so how we can do for top positioning? As you can see, we have a multiple shape that 3 is up and then 3 is down. Okay, for that we are using this for loop. I enumerate the shape names. According to the shape name, it's looping it, and as soon as I is equal to less than 3 means 3 shape will be at up and 3 shape will be down. For that purpose, we are using if I is less than 3. Top position shape means we are making a dictionary, means at a particular shape will be this circle, square, at act as a key, and at particular key we have a center of those shape. For that, we are using this coordinates values. This is the x value and this is the y value. 90 pixel from the above, and for the third row, for the second row, you can say we are using 210 pixel from the above. And for the you can say for the x, we are using 270 plus I. You can say for the shape we are using, for particular shape we are adding I into 200. Okay, so this way we making the center position coordinates values for each shape. And for the bottom, same thing will be applied, but here we are not using a one row or second row. We are just making one row here, and we are placing all shape in a one row. For that, we have to make a dictionary of the bottom position with each shape. Means that the circle is act as a key. We are using this 100 pixel for, and the gap between those will be 140 pixel, and 100 pixel from the left of the frame, and 400 pixel from the above. So this way we decide the pixels coordinates value or center value of the each shape. Okay, now target slot. Then the fifth step is that create drawing function for each shape imported from utils. Okay, so let me first show you the you can say function for each. For drawing circle, For drawing the circle at a particular frame, we get a center. The center is basically this one only, okay, which we have decided here. These are the center x and y coordinate values. Okay, so after getting the center, this is a size. And what is the size? Is for 50 pixel, you can say. We have decided the 50 pixel is a size. Here you can see this is shape size. I will uncomment it when it will be used, or we can say we are using it. Okay, now image center size. These are the coordinates. You can see the information. We will draw the circle with image. In the image, then the center, then the size is what if size is 50 pixel, and we want to fill that with the fill color, and the this is -1 means we want to fill that circle. And for the square, we are using the square, we use a center, and according to the center we decide the coordinates values. Means for the drawing the rectangle, and it want to draw the square with that top left coordinates and the bottom right coordinates will be same, not same, means distance will be same. For that we are using x minus size, y minus size. This way we give the coordinates values and our square will be completed. And for the triangle we have to make this, and for the triangle we get a center. According to center, we first decide the points values, coordinates values, and then we have to make the list of that. Okay, and PRA, we make the list of that. Top point, this is top point. How we are calculating it, it's up to you. You have to means if you want to, you have to know some geometry knowledge here. Okay, so understand what is happening here. What is happening here, you have to know some geometry knowledge, how we are deciding this y minus size and x minus size, y plus size and x plus size. Okay, how we are deciding it. Okay, but in helping, you can say when I will show you this video. I will upload one image where I have where I will show you the picture of how we are calculating it. Okay, so don't worry, I will upload the, when I will upload this video, I will show, will down in description I will upload one image, you will see that and you will get the knowledge of that. Okay, so at soon draw triangle. For drawing triangle we use fill poly, just image, then the points array you have to give, and the color through which we have to display that. Fill poly means that particular polygons is filled with that particular color. Same for the trapezium. After, as soon as we get the center, you, and using the size we decide the coordinate values: top left coordinate, top right coordinates, bottom right and bottom left coordinates. Okay, so this way this we decide the geometry, or we can say decide the points of the trapezium. Same way fill poly is used, and same way for the rhombus, these points are decided by the center, using the center, and same for the parallelogram. And for understand this, you have to know some knowledge of the geometry. And for the better explanation, I will upload one image at the description of the video, so you will get the better knowledge how the points are calculated. So don't worry. So this step is completed. Okay, and we have talked about the shape, you can say, functions. So though I have to uncomment this. For the circle, we call draw circle. For square, draw square. This way we've called the function. And one thing also we have decided, colors. So this way I make the color dictionary. For the color circle we are using this color, for the triangle, for the trapezium we are using this color. Now let me go to my steps, and this is, you can say, these are the constants values which will not change. So the font will not change. Game time means in 12 seconds you have to match all the shape, otherwise you will not get a full score. And the shape size will be 50 pixel. Now we have to come to imported from utils. Yes, assign unique colors, we have done it. Track which shape are correctly placed. Okay, so we have to do this. For that we have to draw the first we have to draw the shape on the window. So how we can do that? So go to the while loop. Inside the while loop I have to uncomment this thing. Okay, so this thing I have done, I have not used this, so I have to uncomment it. Yes, I have not okay, so I will explain later this. Oh, place shaped. Yes, one thing is here also. Oh, what is the use of this placed shape? Where it is gone? Yeah, this one. See, here the first is I am making one dictionary here. According to the four, I will loop over the shape names, and here shape basically act as a key, and here false is, you can say, the value inside that. Means according to initially no shape is placed in that particular area, particular place in that, or you can say we have not matched the shapes. So at initially it the value will be false. So here for shape in shape names mean for the bottom we have to display it. For that we have to display colors now. So because when we place the we have when we match the shape, the shape changes to green. So that's why. And initially the color will be grayish color, but after matching it color changed to green. That's why place shape will be used for that purpose. If the value will be false, the color will be gray. If the value will be true, color will be green. So this way the color is decided here. So that's why the placed dictionary is used here. After that we just we will means we will loop over the shape names. We get the keys. Okay, after doing it, shape draw means this one. This dictionary is used here, you can say, for calling the function. This one this one okay, shape draw. We according to this only we call the function, that's why. So we'll come here. According to the shape it will call the function. We are passing frame, you can see. In every function we are passing the frame, then the center, then the size, and the color. And yes, I have not understood what the meaning of the share in this parallelogram is a tiltness. Tiltness in the parallelogram is known as shear, and it is 20 degree. Okay, so this is a shear meaning here, not so don't get confused here. And here you can say we are passing the frame, bottom position, shape. Okay, so we are first displaying the bottom. So bottom position shape will get the center value, and here shape size will be means is 50 pixel, and color will be decided from here. Okay, for the bottom, if it is not matched, its color will be grays. If it is matched, its color will be green. After that, draw shape name. You can say when I have shown you, when I've reviewed, I have shown you that the name is also shown at the bottom of the bottom shapes values, bottom shapes. Text will be there, showing that particular shape name. So for that bottom position shape, we just display the text according to that shape. Means this is a shape. You can shape is a string value, and it is act as a key also here in many dictionaries. Okay, so that's why x minus 40 means 40 pixels away from the center, and y plus sample size 50 pixel down plus 30 pixel. Okay, this way we decide the x and y coordinate for the text, then the font, then the thick, you can say the scale, then the color and the thickness. So this way we put the text here. You all will get confused how we are deciding this x and y coordinates values. So until and unless you will do hit and trial method, changing y value, changing 40 to 30, changing sample shape size, you will does not understand what is happening here. If I will explain you theory, you will get confused. But when you will try more and more how the 40 changes, how the 30, when you change these values and run this code again and again, you will know what is happening here. Okay, now for the top, to display the top shape, we just have to loop over the shape names. If it is not placed, means if it is not matched, those shape only we have to display, otherwise we will not display an other shape. Okay, for that we have to just call this shape draw shape, then the frame we are passing to a position with center value, the size and the color here. So this way we drawing the shape. So this is done. Now let me run this, because the main thing will come later. So let me run it. Okay, everything is done, everything is set. Now see, dragging is not happening. Now we have to do the dragging part, and before that I have to show the time and score also, and display those things also. As soon as I press Q, it's break and it's gone. Okay, so let me show you what happening with time and score. So this is time and score. Okay, so let me uncomment this line first, and then these two lines. Start time, Oh, it is where it is start time. This is, and initially the score is also 0. Okay, initially the score will be 0, start time will be time by time, the current time of your current time when you will run this main file. Okay, as soon as I get current time, remaining time will be max will be means 0, then the game time minus int time into time, 10 start time. This way will remaining time will be calculated and it will display here. Okay, a start time will be get time into time. Okay, let me come back with some calculation to explain this lines so that you will not get confused what is happening here. Okay, so wait for the. So friends, let me explain you what is happening here. Suppose the game time is 3 seconds, okay, and your start time is just start time means when you run this file, you will get a start time. Start time will be 8 seconds, okay. So as soon as you run this file and after 1 second, time give me current time and it's give me 9 second, and when you will multiply with sorry subtract with current time 9 minus 8, you can say the start time will be 8 second, you will get 1, and when you subtract it with the game time means 3 minus 2, you will get 2. So max value will be 0 or 2, mix value will be 2, so remaining will be 2 second after 1 second when you run this file. After 2 second, when you will run this file, you will get 10 as a current time, and when you subtract it with the start time, has start time will be 8 second, you will get a 2, and when you will get remaining, when you will subtract with the game time, you will get 1, and remaining time will be 1. This and remaining time is 1 second is left, and this way we calculate the remaining time, and this way we display the remaining time and the score. In score, initial value will be 0. Now I have to uncomment. Let me remove this because there is no need of this. Now I can easily explain this line where I have see, if remaining is less than is equal to 0, means if the remaining is 0 seconds or less than 0 seconds, because it might be possible that remaining time goes to greater than 0, less than 0, or if cvd wait will be, and you press escape key or wait for the 20, okay, 20 milliseconds, it's not required. I already, it should be 1 here, it's not required now, because frame shape means get 600 900 like this. After that I have make a text, means game over, final score will be score. I replace the score, these are the coordinates value I already calculated using a paint software. Okay, then I will place this text over the frame. Okay, x minus 150, then font this way, and after that I will show that frame with a score, and I will wait for the 3 second to 3 second, waiting for that when the game is completed, when the remaining time is 0, I will wait for the 3 second to display this text, text, or make this text static for 3 second. After that the loop will break and the window will get vanished. So this is done. Now what is our third step? uh Track with step done. Now we have to do the main thing, means dragging and dropping is, now we have to do that. Handle mouse events, left mouse press, mouse move, left mouse release, what will happen. Now let me uncomment that part, means the main part I have to uncomment it. Okay, so this is the thing, this is the whole code. Okay, so let's go. The first thing we have to do is that we have to create this means name window. Name window means the window, this name and the window we are showing has to be same. Okay, otherwise this events will not work. Okay, then what we want mouse callback, means mouse functionality we want. So this is window name, then the mouse event means the function will call, mouse event function will be called, this is the mouse event function will call. It get these variables event xy means what is the xy here? Xy basically event, you know what is event, you event is equal to cv to left button release move, or that one downloading. Xy basically the coordinate value where the mouse pointer in at that time, particularly at that time on a OpenCV window. Okay, this xy will be the coordinates value where the pointer on a OpenCV window. Flags and parents are something I will not just explain you here. When there will be need, I will explain you. Okay, but is the you can say this variable compulsory to pass. Okay, so here these are the, you can say these are the you can say the variables, constant variables, not constant variables, variables we can say drag shape, mouse offset, and score. Let me uncomment them also. Okay, so these are those. Okay, so drag shape initially none because we are not dragging the shape. Okay, because right now we have not done anything. Okay, the drag shape initially will be none. Drag shape, in short, you can say currently drag shape means it. You can say it stored the shape. You can say shape. What we can say shape name. You can say shape name. This name, circle, square, shape name at that particular time. Which shape we are dragging? It's particularly shape that shape. Mouse offset initially it will be 0 0. Okay, what is a mouse offset? Mouse offset will be you can say for the smooth drag. We can say when you will drag the, you can say drag the shape continuously. When you will drag, you know you want to know the coordinates values of the pointer continuously. So mouse offset basically give you the coordinates values when you will drag the mouse over this drag the shape over the matching templates. Now when you will suppose let me run this, let me save all this thing and let me run this, they will get better understanding what is happening here. Okay, oh, it will get vanished after 3 seconds, so I think so I have to make this window static. So to just for the explanation purpose, I want to make this window static. How yes, from here, instead of 3 seconds you have to wait for the infinite time. Let me run it now. Now it will wait for infinite time. It will not get vanished. Okay, so this is done. So let me come back on my code. Yes, this was here. Okay, so this is event left button down. When I press the left button, okay, when I press the left button, event will get activated. This event will get activated. I suppose I press on this circle. Okay, then it will check which shape will be there, which shape we are means on which shape the pointer is there. How we can check that, how we can decide that on which shape the pointer is there. So how we can do that? We iterate over the shape name. Okay, initially I told you that if placed shape is false, it means that shape is not matched. If it is true, it is matched, so it's not required to check whether the pointer is on a shape, on that particular shape or not. As soon as it is false, it will come here. It will we get a position means center value. Using this stop position shape, we get a center value, and after getting the center value, we will check using x and y. You can say I already told you this, x and y will be the coordinate value of the mouse pointer. So using this we can check whether the pointer whether the you can say pointer is on which particular center, or you can say area the particular you can say the pointer is. Okay, this if statement give me that thing, absolute x minus cy is less than shape size means 40 pix 50 pix 50 is you can say constant value, and absolute y minus 6 by shape size means 50. If it is the pointer is inside this area, okay, it will check means drag shape value will be initially it is none, drag shape value will get to shape means which shape. Suppose right now I place this here to the circle, so shape get a string values circle. Okay, and mouse offset is also changed. Okay, x minus cy and y minus cy give me the mouse offset. Okay, store offset between mouse and shape center. Okay, it will get me that thing, mouse offset. Okay, it's this thing, how much distance between the through the center and the mouse you can say coordinates value. It will give me the mouse offset. Okay, after that I will drag this event and suppose I will place this when I will drag this, suppose this circle I will drag, this event will get activated. Event is equal to event mouse move, mouse move, and drag shape. It is compulsory that drag shape will be there, means which shape I am dragging has to be there, mean drag shape should not be none. Okay, because here also I'm dragging, whenever run this file, here also I'm dragging, but this function, this event will not get activated because right now drag shape, initially drag shape value will be none. As soon as I press left button here and select the shape, this function will get, this event will get activated. And here we just update the center value of the circle. Okay, update the center value of the circle, you with the, and or you can say replace that center value with the mouse offsets values. Okay, so the mouse offset value, we update that, those values. Okay, this way, suppose I will suppose okay, let me do it. Okay, suppose I will run, suppose I press this circle here and drag it here till here, so its center value will get changed. So when you will run, when you will means while loop is continuous running, but when you will this center will come here and stick, means this circle will get stuck here. It will not it will not go again to this position, its center value change, so it will get static here only. Okay, now as soon as I press left button release, means event left button up, and drag shape will be, initially it is we are know which shape we are dragging. We check, get two things. We have to first get the bottom position center value and top position center value. Okay, with the drag shape. Okay, drag shape will give the shape we are dragging, so according to that shape only we get a center value, target x, target y, and current x and current y. Current x and current y, suppose I will get a circle here and stick and release here, the center value will be of this shape here, of this type, this area will be get me. So after that we will check that particular target x and y, means the bottom shape x and y value, center value is in the area of the circle which I am dragging, is not on a, if it is there, we will place means change the place, means the dictionary we are created placed drag shape value to true, means that particular shape is matched, and score will be increased. And top position, means the top position, this circle will be target x and target y. Okay, so this way we are creating the position. Okay, means we are moving the shape from one position to another position, and after all things will get happen, this drag shape value will get none. Now let me close this, and I've explained you the whole code, but now let me explain you. Okay, what is happening here? Yes, 3000, it will be 3000, and wait for the 3 second, and my remaining, oh sorry, my this time this will be 20 seconds, just for the explanation purpose. I will explain you everything here. Let me now run this. Okay, wait for the second, it will vanished. I have to increase the timer. Better it will be 120 seconds, 2 minutes. Okay, I have to explain you everything now, that's why. So come here, see, as soon as I press this, see, press here, it will check whether the center of this circle is in that is in sorry, my pointer is in this circle or not. As soon as it get that pointer is in a circle, it will change the drag shape, means the drag shape will get the circle value. Okay, and mouse offset give me the pointer value. Okay, how the center, how much the center is away from the, you can see the current value of the pointer. No, okay, store offset between mouse and the shape center, okay, this way. And when you will just, you can say, when I have dragging here, this event will get activated. As soon as this event will get activated, it will change the top position, means this shape value, shape center value, it will get changed according to the mouse offset, it will change it, okay. So that it, when I will drag it, it will not go again back to the original position. As soon as it come here and need release here, it will check that the particular target, it will first get these values, target x and current x and y of the top position, bottom position we are changing here, top position value we are changing, and bottom position remain the same. But it will check that the distance between the center of those two shape will be less than 50 or not. If it is less than 50, means the play shape is matched, and it will change the drag shape value, and the position drag shape value, target center value will be changed, and drag shape will be none. So this way whole thing will get happening here. So this way, same way I will do it, okay. It will get static here, but as soon as I press here, it will check the minimum distance 50, yes, it's matched, and its color will be changed. So this way it's going, and this way what is happening. Now let me the whole code I have explained you what is happening here. And one more thing, this line I have printed, when a code is completed and everything is get vanished, this line will get means printed on a terminal. Now let me change this to, we have a 6 shape, so 12 seconds enough, means 2 seconds for each to place it. Now let me run it again. Okay, so let's get started. How much score I will get, let me check. I have completed all, okay. So I will get 6 final score, okay. Wait for the 3 seconds and it will get vanished. So this way you will create a game like this, template matching or shape matching, you can call it everything, anything you can give. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Thanks to all.